Hi guys, it's Cousin Marv Eisen. Today is Thursday, June 27th, and Donald Trump is at the G20 meeting, and the market went up and then went down. I'm talking about the S&P on the open. Here we are. And the market went up 4 points, then it went down 4 points, and it went back up another 4 points, and now it's climbing, and now we're at a point of resistance. Look at this. Here's a 15-minute chart. We're right here bumping our head against resistance, and I'm willing to take a position to the downside right here because I think the market's hitting its head, and I think that I will just come in here. If it starts running away from me, I'm out. If it goes my way, well, I position myself to the downside. So that's the way I read the market. I'm a chart reader. I read the sentiment of other traders. This over here, up, down, up, can't tell anything from this, but I can look at past history, look at where the market's been, where it's seen resistance, where it's seen support, and also right here, action seems to be drying up in terms of the buyers feeling that they have more room to run. The market, the S&P is already, the futures that is, already up 15 points for the day. A lot of this is taking an educated guess in terms of what I feel market is going to do based on past history, based on the movement of the candles, price action, and that's basically it. And I have to go with my feelings, my bias at that time. Now, right now, the market is gone the direction that I thought. It might be just a momentary reversal. I might get out here, but then again, the stochastics is still on the more or less overbought position. This is a 2-contract position, and it's only a little after 10 o'clock, and we'll see what happens here. I usually have my finger on the trigger when I trade. Still headed down, and I'm gonna hop off here and lock up. Let's see, what was that? 275. Lock up a $275 profit. Why did I do that? Why did I get out? The stochastics is only midway between overbought, oversold. Well, I did that because the momentum to the downside had dried up with the market vacillating. Buyers and sellers, bulls and bears, just fighting for their directional bias. And I was up 300, then 275, then 300, then 275. And at that point, I would just as soon lock up a profit than wait to see which way the bulls and the bears were going to decide their tug of war. And hey, what's wrong with a $275 profit in a few minutes? I'll bet if you made $275 in a few minutes trading the S&P E-mini contract, I'm happy about that, and I think you'd be happy about that too. If you're looking to find a way to make money, or if you need a way to find money and you don't have a job, or you can't find a job, or maybe you're retired and you're running short of money and you have no other way to make money, and your Social Security and your retirement savings, whatever they may be, are not covering your monthly bills, try trading S&P E-mini futures, but don't do it without taking a course. I have an excellent course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. It contains all I know that was learned over nearly 20 years of studying the market, and I can teach you how to trade. Go to timelessdollar.com, take my course, and it's not expensive. You don't have to be a market guru in order to make money in the market, but you do have to have an education. You do have to have the skills and develop your skills based on the education that I'll teach you, based on the knowledge that I'll give you, and then practice those skills, put them into practice, and you'll see that these techniques work. Now look, I took a position up here to the downside because I saw that the market, the buyers, which had been in control or fighting with the sellers, the buyers had basically reached a fulcrum of where no more buyers were coming in. Sellers were starting to give them resistance, and I jumped on here and I made $275. You can do this. This is something that I can teach you. So anyway, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Thanks for watching. It's Thursday, June 27th. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.